Wattle fences, also called Girondine barriers, are decorative and define an orchard, a vegetable garden, an ornamental garden, or, as here, a lawn. Made from chestnut, the wattle fence withstands bad weather for over 15 years without any protective treatment. Wattle fences are available in heights ranging from 50 centimeters to 2 meters, with spacing between the slats from 2 to 10 centimeters. Installing a wattle fence is very easy with the right tools. Start by placing posts at both ends to ensure the alignment of the wattle fence. Installing the posts is easier with a manual auger. It is user-friendly thanks to its T-shaped handle. The anchoring of the auger is also facilitated by a digging tool. This auger drills holes of 127 millimeters, which corresponds to the diameter of the post. The soil is extracted due to the rotation of the steel corkscrew blade. Next, place the post and point it into the hole, preferably made of chestnut, as it is a nearly rot-proof wood. To drive the post without splitting the tops, you have the option of using a very shock-resistant post driver. Its flat head of a good diameter is made of forged steel, and its handle is made of fiberglass with a rubber grip. You can also use a post driver. This cylindrical tool allows you to easily drive round or square posts into the ground without splitting the top. Once the first post is driven in, place the second post at the other end to stretch a line between the two. Space the posts 150 meters to 180 meters apart. When drilling, if you encounter stones or roots, use a digging tool and point. The point breaks the stones and the chisel cuts the roots and digs at the same time. Now let's move on to the installation of the roll of wattle fence securely held by a tie made of wire. Use fencing pliers to cut the wire. Practical and robust, they are versatile with their hardened steel head. Their handles are comfortable with a good grip. Now partially unroll the wattle fence. Secure the first slat to the first post with a screw under each wire at 3 points. The operation is repeated in the same manner for all the posts. The posts and the wattle fence made of chestnut are very resistant to bad weather. They will last for many years in your garden, in your space. After a few weeks, they will begin to gray, a sign that there is a self-protection process occurring on the chestnut wood.